Before we get started with this Java training, we need to install some softwares. So in this video, we are going to do the setup for our Windows PC. So what do we really need in order to get started? So to begin our Java development, the first thing that we need is the JDK. Now the JDK stands for the Java Development Kit. So it is basically a complete kit for the Java development, and it basically provides the software development environment for developing the Java applications. Now, in order to use this JDK, we need some platform where we can write our Java code. So for that, in this course, we are going to use the IntelliJ IDE. Now, what do we mean by IntelliJ IDE? It is basically the integrated development environment for creating the softwares that uses the JDK. Now this JDK is the same JDK that we discussed here. So the IntelliJ IDE simply uses the JDK in order to create the Java application. So one by one, let us install these two softwares. So first, we are going to install the JDK in our system. Now let us open our browser and simply go to google.com and then search for Java JDK for Windows. It will then show the first link from the oracle.com. Let us open this link, and then it will take you to the official page of oracle.com from where you can download the Java JDK. Now, if you are unable to land on this page, then at the top you can notice this link. Now this link you can get from the helper text which is present right below this video. So make sure you land on this page. Now here, if you notice, we are going to download the Java SE, which stands for the standard edition. So let us open this Java, and there on scrolling down you will find the version of the Java development kit that we are about to download for our Windows operating system. Now before you download anything, it will ask you to accept the license agreement. So you need to accept it. Down below you will find two options for the Windows operating system. The first one is for the Windows 32-bit machine, and the second one is for the Windows 64-bit machine. Now my machine is 64-bit. What about yours? In order to check out if you are using a 32-bit operating system or the 64-bit machine, you need to right click on this PC. So simply right click, go to properties, and there you will find the 64-bit operating system, or in case you are using the 32-bit operating system, then it will show you the 32-bit operating system. My machine is 64-bit. So I will now download the Java JDK for Windows x64 machine. In case you are using the 32-bit machine, then simply go for this one. Now that we have downloaded the JDK, let us install it in the next video.